Okay. I just thought I'd start this out by saying I wasn't able to get the counter to reset at 20, and I also wasn't able to use variables to turn the LEDs on and off. I just used the digital writes instead. I also used two different variables for the integers for the counters, because I'll show you when we go down in the code a bit. But yeah, there's my setup for the pins for the LEDs, and that's for the ride. For my counting, I just used count plus 1, but I had to use two variables, and I just put a delay of 1 second on it because this video can only be so long. For the blue LED to be on, I just used if statements. I also was wondering, I don't know if the else if statements count as if statements. If so, I did this assignment wrong because I have multiple if statements if they count as them. Yeah, I just have digital write for turning it on, serial print for the count so it shows the number, and then serial print again for the blue LED on. For the blue LED off, I just used else if. I tried using else statement, but it wouldn't work. So I just said if it wasn't equal to 4, turn it off. For the red LED, it's the exact same for the blue. For both LEDs on, I used an if statement, and I said if it was equal to 20, it should print that. But I wasn't able to make it only print that, so it will also print blue LED on and red LED on when it prints both LEDs on. So I'll just start the code and open this up. Yeah, so multiples of 4 does it, multiples of 10 it'll do it again for the red LED, and then you'll see once it reaches 20, that it does prints like 3 things here. And then also I wasn't able to reset the counter, so that is about it.